Hello dear students, today we'll have our critical analysis for the poem The Tide Rises, the Tide Falls, written by Henry Longfellow. The speaker in this poem describes a traveler coming to a town by way of the shore, while the tide rises and falls endlessly. The non-stop moving of the waves contrasts with the traveler's brief stay, so we can say that human action is fleeting, it comes to an end, while nature is eternal here. Now let's paraphrase the stanzas. In the first stanza, the traveler comes to town, and nature pays him no mind. Man has little influence on nature. In stanza 2, the waves erase the footprints of the traveler. Human life is nothing compared to the power of nature. In number 3, the traveler's stay was short, but the tides are continuous. Here we can see in this poem that the rhyme suggests a pattern of recurrence that imitates the rise and fall of the tide. So we can say that the rhyme scheme in the first stanza is AABBA, the second stanza AACCA, and the third stanza AADDA. This pattern evokes the image of the recurring waves and underscores the cyclical, ceaseless quality of nature. We can find in this poem that nature is eternal, as the daylight returns each morning like the tides. But in the third stanza, it says that the traveler will never return, which means that humans are mortal or humans are temporary. Also in the second stanza, we can say that the traveler leaves footprints in the sand. However, the wave erases the footprints and the traveler moves on. So we can say that nature is stronger than man. Here we can ask ourselves, what is the aim of the poet here? He wants us to have a purpose in life, and we must achieve our goals. He wants us to have a mark on the world in order to be remembered. Great people make their mark on the world and through their example inspire others to act. Symbolism in this poem. The traveler represents any human being, no identity since they are forgettable. The tide itself is the continuation of time or life, and the journey of the traveler is our life as we live it. The traveler hastens to town. We can say that people are always trying to avoid death. Here also we have reference to animals and the tide at the beginning and the end of the poem, which shows that life goes on after we are dead.